Machines look down the path, but developers can look to the stars. My name's Andy, and I'm the Code Rebel. This is about AI and how blinkered it is. It looks straight ahead and it doesn't deviate. It just looks at the prompt that you've given it, and that's what it does. But as a developer, you should be looking at a wider picture and a wider angle and imagining more possibilities. You can see the bigger picture. You can see everything. An AI can't do that. It can process what's happened, but you can imagine what's next. And that is why we still need developers. You're the one that can reach further and see further. And, this is why I think as a developer, you won't be out of a job. And who's going to stop AI when when it becomes self-aware, travels back in time and tries to kill us all? What do you think?